the Texas legislature has enacted a number of statutes that are certain to face court scrutiny, might withstand the scrutiny, might not. The Texas legislature is not shy on pushing the envelope as to what they think they can get away with in terms of subsequent court scrutiny. It seems to me that at least one of these bills enacted by the Texas legislature, if not multiple bills enacted by the Texas legislature this last session, will end up before the U.S. Supreme Court. The U.S. Supreme Court is very much divided, much more so than the Texas Supreme Court. It will be interesting to see how the U.S. Supreme Court addresses some of these bills, if in fact the Supreme Court takes them up at all. I imagine there are a lot of far-right Texas voters who are going to be thrilled by what the Texas legislature has done in the past session. On the other hand, I imagine there are going to be a lot of moderate voters in Texas, folks who might consider themselves Republicans, but moderate Republicans, who are not going to be thrilled that the Texas legislature is focusing on some more far right wing policies rather than meat and potatoes. We want to improve the quality of our schools. We want to improve the quality of our roads. We want to improve, the penal system, for example. There are absolutely positively going to be some middle of the road voters, even middle of the road Republican voters, who would prefer the Texas legislature focus on meat and potato issues rather than cater to the far right politically. With some of these new bills that have been passed, the trial courts, the appellate courts, the state courts, the federal courts, lawyers will have plenty of work thanks to the Texas legislature in this past session.